Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up auto moderator in your Discord server. Now Discord now has a built-in auto mod feature which automatically, as the name suggests, automatically moderates messages and content in your server. So these can be anything from harmful language or rude behavior to spammy messages and their corresponding punishments. So to set it up, let's open our server settings. We can open this by clicking on the server name in the top left, clicking on server settings, and scrolling down. So we can see under the moderation section, there are four options. We're interested in the auto mod tab. So here we have block mention spam. We can automatically block messages with an excessive number of role and user mentions, block suspected spam content, block commonly flagged words, and block custom words. So I'm interested in the commonly flagged words. So let's go ahead and block all of these. And let's go ahead and choose a response. I'm pretty satisfied with just blocking the message. And I'd rather not allow any role or channel for them to be used in. And if you are using a different language as well, you can set up your own custom word filter over here. And they have the same, pretty much should have the same options. Let's go ahead and save this for a second. Let's click on create. And here we go. You can block your custom words, have certain patterns that it will match before it flags it. Then you can have an additional timing out of a member. I'm a little confused why they don't also allow that by default here, but that's alright. So you can also block any suspected spam content and spammy messages. So I'm sure anybody who's used Discord before has run into the occasional spam message where somebody in their server gets a virus or their account gets hijacked and it suddenly floods all the text channels with mentions and tries to promote a certain something. So this is a pretty nice way of limiting that. So here there are more finer details that you can adjust to how you see fit, but I won't be tinkering with that too much for now. So that was how to set up your auto mod function in your Discord server. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.